Good day everybody, USADOS is here again. Today we got a really nice car. We got Chevrolet Cruze 2011, full option. Let's take a look at this beauty. It's in a really nice condition, very clean. There's a little bit of defect over here, but the car is in a really nice condition. Isn't it so beautiful? Let's take a look at the doors. Very clean. The back door as well. Nothing wrong with the door. Only this part here. The paint is just falling down a little bit. The wheels are in an okay condition. Go to the other side. This door too. Very, very clean car. Let's check the engine.
Okay, here's inside the engine. It's like a bee, you can't even hear it. There, come on. Nothing's going up. No cutting in the car. Perfect.
Alright everybody, so we're now inside the car. Let's check the functions and everything inside. Let's start by starting the car. Okay, press the brake. Lights are on. Everything's off. No problems. Mileage is a bit high, but the car is in a good condition. Let's try the radio, the audio. Works perfectly. Try the air conditioning. Cold air is coming. Perfect. And the downside as well. Shut off. Let's try to accelerate. Forgot to do that. See, the RPMs are going very good, very smoothly. Okay. Windows, both sides, back side as well. It's a nice car. Oh yeah, forgot sunroof. Sunroof. Okay. Amazing. This car is so beautiful. Screen, yep, auto reverse. There's a back camera. I don't think it's very clean, but yep. So that's all from inside. Perfect car. Thank you.
Esta es BUSYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio.
So this is everything about the Chevrolet Cruze 2011, full option. If you're interested in this car, please contact us at busyman.kr. Feel free to ask any questions. USAID was here. Thank you so much. The car is in a really good condition, but the mileage is a bit high. Everything as you've seen. Engine works very well. There's no problems. It's a nice car. Thank you so much.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es de USADOS. El número de teléfono es +8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.